The country's Internal Revenue Services sees the newly minted 12% VAT on online merchants from abroad as a boom for the government's revenue collection. Not so much with typical Filipino customers who shop online and have enjoyed the affordable or reasonably priced products and services for the longest time and now face higher prices for such entitlements. Our Clazel Pardilia has more.
From her shoes to her clothes and makeup, everything was purchased by Astrid from various international online shops.
Mas mura po kasi and mas convenient po siya. Marami po akong nakiclaims na vouchers, discounts, mga free shipping po.
But now Astrid is concerned she will pay a lot more for the products she's enjoyed and bought. The Bureau of Internal Revenue will be implementing a 12% value-added tax on foreign digital service providers. This will impact electronic marketplaces and online shops owned by foreign entities, as well as foreign streaming platforms like Netflix and HBO, which Adam loves.
Super nag-worry po kasi hindi lang naman po isa yung subscription ko po is yung app lang. Mga 3 po yung mga sinubscribe ko. So kung times 3 po siya, so malalaki po yung magiging gastos ko every month.
According to a tax expert,
we expect that subscription fees will immediately be increased by this new digital service tax. That means additional 12%. Papasa lang nila talaga sa consumers. And since hindi naman sila registered dito, they're not paying income tax here. So they won't let the new law affect their operations.
the Bureau of Internal Revenue acknowledges that fees from foreign digital services providers may be affected. However, they assure consumers that there is no cause for alarm or worry.
It's a business decision by the service providers. But again, nagbabayad na naman talaga dapat sila from the very beginning. So they should have incorporated that yung concept ng VAT na yan sa simula pa lang during their pricing. So pwedeng magkaroon ng price increase, but again, I think it would be minimal. Hindi naman yan 12% automatically mag-i-increase sila. Also commensurate and same rate.
The new regulations will take effect 90 days after the implementing rules and regulations are published.
Makakatulong in turn sa pagpopondo ng mga government projects and yung mga social welfare services at yung mga infrastructure projects. So babalik po sa atin yan.
The BIR warns that foreign digital service providers who do not comply with VAT payments will face fines and may have their websites blocked. Clazel Pardilia for the New and Better Philippines.